Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Nice to have you back. To my awesome viewers and to my awesome subscriber, thank you. Thank you so much for always watching my channel. Yeah. So today we are going to be solving about two questions under operation with roots. Okay, so I have the very first question written on the board. All right, so let's go. We have 2 root 3 plus 4 root 2 minus root 2 minus 3 root 3. So what do we do with this? The first thing you need to do is to bring together those variables or those that have the same square roots or the same roots. So what are they? We have 2 root 3 and 3 root 3. They both have the same root 3, root 3. So we bring them together. Then another one, 4 root 2 minus root 2 have the same numbers, the same square roots. So what do? We bring them together. Good. So let's go. So we have what? 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3, same, plus 4 root 2 minus root 2, same. So this will make our work easier to do or easier to solve. Good. So what do we have now? We have these whole numbers, 2 minus 3. That gives us 1. Then we make this root 3 1. That's minus 1. Note, minus 1. Thank you. We have root 3. Then we have plus 4 minus root 2. Of course, there's an invisible 1 here. Note that root 2 is the same thing as 1 root 2. So we have 4 minus 1. And that gives us what? Plus 3. Plus what? 3 root 2. And that becomes our final answer. You can also write it as this. You can decide to bring the one with the positive number forward. That means you can decide to bring this plus 3 forward. Okay, so we have what? 3 root 2. Note that you can decide to write your plus and you might decide not to put it. It still means the same thing. Okay, good. So we have we have 3 root 2 minus what? 1 root 3, or 3 root 2 minus root 3. And that is our answer. Quick and easy to solve. So you can see any of this answer. If it is an objective question, they might leave their answer as 3 root 2 minus root 3. They might leave their answer as 3 root 2 minus 1 root 3. It still mean the same thing. They're still talking about the same thing. It's still the same answer. All right. Or they might leave their answer as minus 1 root 3 plus 3 root 2. And that is the solution to this question, the first question. So let's move to the next question. For multiplication or for division, we can actually multiply the two numbers that have roots, different roots, we can actually multiply them together. But for subtraction and addition, we cannot do that. So for division also, if they share the different square roots, we can divide them if they can be divisible. Okay, so for this, we have 6 root 3 multiplied by 2 root 5. Of course, we have 6 multiplied by the whole numbers. That's this. We're going to be multiplying them together. So we have 6 multiplied by 2. Then we have root what? Root 3 multiplied by root 5. Good. So 6 multiplied by 2 gives us what? Gives us 12. 3 multiplied by 5 gives us what? Gives us 15. And that is the answer. So easy and so quick to solve. All right. So what difference do you note for the multiplication? You notice that though they have different roots, yet you can multiply them together. But for the first one we solve, which is for the addition and subtraction, They have different roots, yet you cannot add them together, neither can you subtract them from each other. All right? So try to note the differences between the two. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share these educative videos. Bye bye.